Singapore is of course best known for its modern cityscape, huge shopping centres, Marina Bay and Changi Airport. However, there is also a different, quieter side to this city. Today, we're taking you to the Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve, a completely different side of Singapore that is often overlooked. This location is easily accessible via the north-south line of the MRT to Kranji Station. From there, you can take buses 170 or 925 to the reserve's entrance. The reserve is famous for its mangrove forests, mudflats and diverse wildlife. It became Singapore's first Asian heritage park due to its importance for nature conservation. The wetlands are important because they protect the coastline from erosion and provide habitats for a variety of animals and plants. People can safely explore the area without disturbing the wildlife by walking along wooden boardwalks and observation hides. One of the most exciting features of Sungei Buloh is its migratory birds. Every year they travel thousands of kilometers from places such as Siberia and China to escape the cold winter. They stop at the reserve to rest and feed. Locals come here on public holidays and at weekends to enjoy the peaceful greenery and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. And now it's time for you to enjoy this beautiful piece of nature in peace and quiet. Sungei Buloh is a great place not only for nature lovers, but also for students who want to learn about ecosystems, conservation, and the importance of protecting the environment. A valuable lesson in an era of change where nature and the climate are under increasing pressure. Sadly, that's the end of our time here. A lovely dinner with our friends marks the end of our stay in Singapore. We hope you enjoyed seeing this different side of Singapore and that our report inspires you to plan your next trip. Until next time, and keep traveling.